This identity-bound biometric laptop cart solution features height adjustability from sitting to standing. The compartment under the work surface allows the user to stow and secure their laptop device, as well as connect any external peripherals. This solution also features multi-factor authentication from BioKey. Simply touch the fingerprint reader for authentication. This wired or wireless washable keyboard and mouse from man and machine can stand up to the toughest medical-grade disinfection routines. Each Altis card is specifically made for healthcare and is manufactured in the United States.